So, as you can tell by the title, we are on our way to surprise my brother with a brand new car. My dad's driving. Hi, Dad. He just bought it, like they just got it. And so my mom is behind us and we are going to my brother's college, which is like 20 minutes away. And we're gonna surprise him with a new car and I'm really excited. So I thought I'd vlog it because, whoa, my strap, because it's exciting. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can really see in here because it's dark outside. My battery's flashing, crap. Okay, this is gonna be a quick vlog because my battery's about to die, so I'll see you when we get there. Okay guys, I hope my camera doesn't die, but we're going, I'm driving my car, I'm driving my brother's car, my brother's brand new car to, where won't this go? Over there right now because they're trying to fix his old car because it wouldn't start, so I'm on my way right now. They just text me and we're gonna just pull up on the side and honk. Oh, okay, right there. Austin! Hey. Hey, Austin.
Is that the one from the CarMax and the, not the CarMax, but the Honda place? No. Y'all got it?
Awesome.
Okay.
Awesome.
No. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Hey. No. How much was it? Don't you worry about that. Check it out, man. Let me tell you something.
Yeah,
I bet it does crank up in the morning. It looks so nice. Hey, get in the car with him. Hey, go for a ride, sis. Y'all go for a ride.
His new ride. Oh my God, hello. Yeah.
Hey, take it for a roll, Jack. Is this not nice as
He's calling his girlfriend.
Okay. Huh? We need your help with something. Alright. Hey. Thank you. This sister surprised. I didn't know who it was. I was like, what? I was like, who's honking at me? Sierra. I'm like, what? Whose car is that? Hey,
we had to figure out a way to make it surprise.
This is so nice. So it's a Nissan Altima 2018 SV. So one is the other one,
but it was just a year
Look, it's 33,000 miles.
So it's got a little high mileage on it, but it was okay.
Mine was 84,000.
That's what I was saying.
I don't think that's bad.
Under 80 is
yeah.
good.
Okay, just Jemima.
One just like it, but with a tan interior. And I was like, I want the black one.
They bought it. Well, this is the same one, but a year newer. It's a 2018.
We're gonna go for a ride.
Hey,